Hi, have you ever uploaded a video to YouTube and received a copyright claim? Well, it can be frustrating, right? Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you can remove a copyright claim from your YouTube video. Before we start, let's go over what exactly a copyright claim is. When you upload a video to YouTube that contain copyrighted materials such as videos, music clips and images, the rights holder can claim it, and the main drawback of this copyright claim is that your video cannot be monetized. Let's go to the screen. Firstly, open the YouTube Studio and go to the content section. As you can see, I have a copyright claim on this video. Now click on See Details. Here you can see the details of copyright claim. It doesn't have any effect on the channel and anyone can watch it globally. But the main drawback is that video cannot be monetized due to copyright claim. By clicking on Learn More, you can get more information about the issue. Let's move further and find a solution. Here you can see the claim part of the video. The intro part has a copyrighted music taken from 𝐋𝐤𝐽. This music can be used under content license and can be downloaded by clicking on the download button. Here is the message from the owner to remove the copyright claim. Just drop an email to this mailing address along with the video link and the copyright claim will be taken between 1 to 3 days by rights holder. So here is the request mail with the attached video link. In YouTube Studio, click on Select Action and here you will get the solution to the claim video recommended by YouTube. Here you have 4 options. First is to trim the claim segment of the video. Second is to replace the music in the video. And the third is to mute the music in the video. And the last one is to claim a dispute only if you have rights to content or a valid reason to support your claim. By clicking on Replace Song, you can replace the claim part of the music from the music available in the YouTube library. And now just click on Trim Out segment and you can simply trim the claim part of your video. By clicking on the Mute Song, you can just mute the claim part of your video or mute all sound when music play. By clicking Dispute and Continue, you claim a dispute with proper reasons and the right to use the content. Thanks for watching the complete video. Hope it helps you. For more informative videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.